Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm in a little slice of paradise in Lombok, Indonesia. And we're going to do a short and sweet sunset slow flow. So just a little bit of sway, a little bit of movement to end the day and enter the evening. So I hope you enjoy. Let's begin in child's pose. Knees can be wide or together, your choice. I like to bring them together, especially if I'm having any low back pain. Just makes it softer. Arms extended, forehead down to the ground. Just 3 deep rounds of breath, feeling the inhale, 360 degrees, and then full release exhale. Get a little melty on the out breath. Twice more. And one more. And keep your hips to your heels. As you begin to press down through the shins, the hands will drag back. Not a lot of engagement there. They're just slowly dragging back as you unfurl like a fern here. And then flip the palms up, press down through the shins, and lift up. Big reach. Stand on the knees. Hands touch above the head. And then exhale, hands to heart center as the hips come back towards the heels. In breath. And out breath, the hands slide down onto the ground. Come back into child's pose. Forehead comes down. Full round of breath. In. And out. Let's do that again. Hips stay towards the heels. You're going to unfurl the hands, drag back as the vertebrae stack. Then the palms lift up. Press down through the shins to stand on the knees. And gather at the top. And exhale, hips to heels. Hands to heart. Right hand down towards the side. And big side body stretch, left arm up and over. I'm going to push left side body over towards the left. Open the heart just a little bit, spiral up. And then as the torso comes back up, the left arm comes all the way up and behind the back. So, some options. You can just catch it behind the sacrum, or maybe the hand comes in between the shoulder blades. The right arm comes up and over, maybe grabbing fingers. Strap can be great here, or just both hands behind the back. Steady breath. And see if you can pull your front ribs back towards the back ribs just slightly. One more inhale. Press the head back into the top arm. And slowly release the arms. This time, left hand comes down. Right arm reaches up and over. Big side body. Press right ribs over towards the right. Spiral the heart open just a bit here. Big inhale. And next in breath, come back up. This time the right arm goes behind the back. It likely finds not the same place as the other one did. Left arm up and over. And see how I'm really bananaing my back here? I got like a big sway. So you can pull front ribs back towards the back ribs so you're keeping some integration. Steady breath. I like to press the head back into the top arm a little bit. Draw the right shoulder back. And slowly release. Hands to heart center. Inhale. And exhale once more to child's pose. Hands drag forward. Full round in. Exhale out. Round the upper back. Lead with the back of the heart as you come forward. And find some cat-cow, some rolling cat-cow here. 3 or 4 rounds. Maybe some audible exhales. And next time you come forward, shift forward, lead with the back of the heart. Pick up the feet a little bit. So be kind to your knees here, but pick up your feet, and we're going to rock the legs over towards the right. Yeah. Lift the left knee up and lift the left arm up. And so not a lot of alignment here. Just kind of see where you find yourself. Maybe the top arm sways or some big circles. Heart's opening. Maybe the heart center pulls up and forward just slightly. One more big inhale, kind of cactus the top arm. And then gaze down towards the mat. The left foot comes to the back of the mat. Sole of the foot comes down. Press into the left foot and the right hand as the right toes come towards the knee. So side plank variation here. Left arm reach towards the top of the mat. And then spiral the heart down. The right knee plants. Inhale, the left leg lifts. And exhale, heart comes down to the ground. Tuck the back toes. In breath. Out breath. Begin to extend the right toes long. Bring the belly towards the ground as the heart lifts. Low cobra. Exhale, fold down. Hands go wide. High cobra. Stay for a round of breath. A little external rotation in the arms. Heart center gets broader. And fold down. Hands plant. Downward facing dog. Wave forward, plank pose. Drip the knees down. Rolling cat-cow. Couple rounds. These can be as intricate or as big as you'd like. Dramatic or nuanced. And the next time you come forward, inhale. Lift the back toes. And then sway the legs over towards the left. The right toes, kind of like the toe pads are touching a little bit here. Right and left toes. Press down through the left hand. Open up the heart. Maybe some big circles. Big breath. Last one, cactus the top arm. Kind of suction through the top hand. And then begin to gaze down towards the mat. The right sole of the foot plants. Get the whole foot down. Press into the left hand. And the left toes come towards the knee. Standing leg can be bent or straight. Bent will give you some more room here. And then spiral the heart down. Left knee plants. Inhale, right leg lifts. And exhale, chest, chin come down to the ground. Tuck the back toes. Slide the left foot back. Both legs meet. Inhale, heart lifts, low cobra. Squeeze the glutes. Exhale, fold. Hands go wide. Inhale, lift, high cobra. Exhale, stay. Broaden the collarbone. Inhale, lift. And exhale, slide down. Hands plant. Find your way back, downward facing dog. Inhale, wave forward. Drip the knees. Shift back hips to heels twice. Rolling cat-cow. Expand just a little bit. Inhale, wave forward. Lift the toes and sway the legs over towards the right. This time, bring the knee towards the left toes. So you're kind of getting a bigger rotation here. And then inhale, lift the left arm up. Really arching the back, pulling heart center up and forward. Suction through the left hand. One more big round of breath. And exhale, gaze down, left foot to the back of the mat, same as we did last round. Plant the left sole of the foot so you can pick up the right toes, bring it towards the knee. One round, or one full inhale. And exhale, heart spirals down, left hand plants, right knee plants. Inhale, left leg lifts, one breath. Exhale, heart down towards the ground. Tuck the back toes. This time, big press, tripod down dog. Exhale, step in between the hands. Back knee plants. Inhale, cactus the arms, lift up, open the heart. And left hand towards the ground or a block, big side body stretch. We've been here before. Press the right, ribs over towards the right. And then inhale, lift up, right hand behind the back, left arm up, and the hand behind the head. Gomukhasana arms. So kind of go where you can. Maybe the fingers touch, maybe they don't. Steady breath. Release the hands. Inhale, arms lift. And exhale, hands plant, downward dog. And inhale, wave forward. Knees drip down, hips towards the heels. Just one round here, wave forward. Lift the toes, bring the shins over towards the left. Right knee towards the left toe. Open the heart, cactus the arm, really pressing down through the left hand as you suction up through the right. Big opening. Gaze towards the ground. Right sole of the foot to the back of the mat. Firmly press down through the foot and the hand so you can lift the left toes towards the knee. Side body. Spiral the heart down, left knee plants. Right leg lifts, inhale. Exhale, chest, chin to the ground, tuck the back toes. Inhale, press and lift, tripod down dog. Big step through. Right foot plants. Back knee drips down. Inhale, cactus the arms, lift up. Heart center pulls forward as the hands suction back. Right hand to the ground, side body stretch. Big inhale. Full out breath. Inhale, left arm lifts up and comes all the way behind the back. Right arm comes up and meets it, maybe. Going in that direction. 2 full rounds of breath here. Maybe lift the front heel. Next inhale, unwind the arms. They meet up high. Exhale, plant the hands down, downward dog. Inhale, wave forward. Drip the knees down, and this time bring the hips all the way to the heels. Just like we did before, keep the hips to the heels. Round the back and slowly come up to a seat. Hands are dragging, spine is stacking. And then palms turn up, press through the shins and lift up one more time. Gather at the top. And exhale, hands to heart center as the hips meet the heels. In breath, fill up. Out breath, sigh out. Twice more. In breath, fill up. Exhale, audible sigh. And once more, big in breath. And out breath, pour forward. Thanks. Gratitude, Suksma. Little wiggle and a shake. Beautiful. If you enjoyed this class, then check out my other slow flows. You can see them right over here.